Hi everyone, hope you are all doing well. Today I would like to begin a new topic, Herons Formula. 9th class CBSE chapter number 12. So before jumping into the Herons Formula, I would like to take you into the familiar topic that which you already know it. So what is this? Area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Everybody knows it. So I don't want to spend much time on it. Area of a triangle half into base into height. That is the formula of a area of a triangle. So if we are taking a right angle triangle, what is the area of this right angle triangle? In the right angle triangle, the perpendicular itself is height and the base is the base. So what is the area of this right angle triangle? Half into. So let me solve it for you. So what is the half into? What is the base here? 5. Half into base into. What is the height here? Height is the perpendicular. 12. Very good. What is half into? Base into height. So 2, 6 are 12, 5, 6 are 30 centimeters square, if these are all centimeters. Simpler. In a right angle triangle, the base is the base and the perpendicular is the height. Simple. Very good. Let me take you another triangle, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, so one side is, all the sides are equal. So this side is 10, this side also is 10 and this side also is 10. Then how are we going to find out? The area of this equilateral triangle? How? Okay, we draw a perpendicular. Since it is an equilateral triangle, when you draw a perpendicular to the one of the sides, this particular perpendicular will bisect the angle as well as bisect the base. So that's why instead of 10, this half becomes 5 and this half becomes 5. So you have 10 here and you have 5 here. Then how are we going to find out this particular side? And this side is the height of the triangle. So how are we going to do it? We know it. What is that? Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay? By Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? This is an hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to, for this triangle ABD, the base is BD. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So hypotenuse square we know already, 10 square, base is 5. How it is a 5? Because the whole side is a 10 and this AD bisects it, that's why it is a 5. So base square is equal to 5 plus what is the height square? AD square we don't know. So what is this one, fellows? 10 square plus 5 square, 10 square and 5 square. 10 square is 100 is equal to 25 plus AD square. So then how am I going to get AD square? AD square is equal to 100 minus 25. 100 minus 25 is 75. So then AD, what is the AD? AD is equal to root 75. AD is equal to root 75. You can keep it just like that. Now let us find out the area of the triangle ABC. Area of ABC, triangle ABC. So what is the area of the triangle ABC? Half into, what is the base of this triangle ABC, BC. Then what is the BC? BC is equal to 10. Height half into base into height, half into base into height. Then what is the height? AD. What is the height? We got 75. Root 75. Root 75. Therefore, we can write it two fives. Okay, two fives. Very good. So therefore, we can say 5 into root 75. 5 into root 75, what is this one again? Centimeter square. If you want, you can further simplify it. The thing that I wanted to tell you is area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Height we found out through our Pythagoras theorem. So this is how we find out area of a right angle triangle, area of a equilateral triangle. Now let me take you into isosceles triangle. This is a 5, this is a 5, and this side is a 8. If this side is a 8, one side is a 8, again the same like equilateral triangle. When you draw a perpendicular, this particular perpendicular will bisect the angle as well as the side. That's why it is a 4 here. So 4 here and 5 here and 4 here. Then how are we going to find out again? Again the same Pythagoras formula. As per the Pythagoras formula in this triangle ABC, what is that? Tell me. AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. AD square. Then what is the AB? AB square? 5 square. Very good. What is the BD? 4 square. Very good. Then what is the AD square? We don't know. So how are we going to find out? 25 plus 16 plus AD square. So how are we going to get AD square? AD square is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Therefore, AD is equal to root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. So we got this as a 3. Now tell me, what is the area of this triangle? Half into what is the base for this? BC. What is the height of this triangle? AD. So half into base into height. That is the area of the triangle. So let me tell you the area of ABC. Area of ABC. What is that? Half into what is the base? BC. What is the BC? 8 already given. 8 into what is the height? 3. Very good. 2 to 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 centimeter square. These are all centimeters and centimeter square. Got it? Very good. Pause. So we have seen the area of a right angle triangle, equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle, and where we can easily find out the height. Suppose we cannot find out the height of a triangle. There is no height. We cannot find out. Only we have the sides of a triangle. If there are only sides of triangle, how to find out the area of a triangle? That's what is our topic today, Herons Formula. So Heron is a great mathematician from Egypt. He is from Alexandria, 10 AD, and he has done a lot of research in applied mathematics. So he proposed a kind of formula where you can find out the area of a triangle even though if you don't know the height, provided if you know the sides. So how are we going to do? By as per the Herons formula. So Herons formula, area of the triangle, area of triangle. So how? So let me give you the first the formula, then we shall go for the the square root of this is not 5, this is the s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So what is this yes? S is a perimeter, semi perimeter. So what is the meaning of a semi perimeter? I will tell you. So a plus b plus c by 2. A plus b plus c by 2. This is a semi perimeter. What are these A, B, C? A comma B comma C. Sides. So if you have only sides A comma B comma C, you can find out the area of the triangle by this particular formula, s into square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Then what is this s? How to calculate this s? S is called semi perimeter. In this semi perimeter, what is the semi perimeter? Side A, side B, side C, sum of them by 2. Then what are this ABC? You know already, they are the sides. If you know the 3 sides, using this formula we can find out the area of the triangle. Pause. So this is a right angle triangle. So let us find out the area of this triangle first. So by our usual normal method. What is our normal method? Area is equal to half into base into height. Here the height is 12. Okay, half into what is the base? Base is 5 into 12. So 2 6s. So 30 centimeter square. 30 centimeter square. Now let us try to find out the same with the help of this particular Herons formula. So how are we going to find out through Herons formula? So by this, let me find out in that particular triangle what is s? S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. What are the a plus b plus c by 2? 5 plus 13 plus 12 by 2. So what is this? 13 plus 5, 18, 20, 30 by 2. 30 by 2 is equal to 15. Is it okay? 13 into 5, 18 plus 12, 30 by 2. So S value is, what did we get? 15. So if we get S value, now we know the S, we know A, B, C. What are the A, B, C sides? 5, 13, 12. So let us apply this formula. If we are getting the same 30, then our formula is correct. So how are we going to do this? So let us see. So the area of the triangle by Herons formula is square root of yes. What is yes? 15. Then 15 minus. Let us go for 13. 15 minus 13 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 5. Entire square root. So how are we going to get? Let us see. Again the square root I am going to extend. 15 into 15 minus 13 how much? 2. 2 into 15 minus 12 3 into 15 minus 5 10. Very good. So good. So let us calculate it. 15 into 2 30. 30 into what is 30 into 3? 30 into 3, 90. 90 into 10, 900. So it is his square root of 900. Square root of 900. What is the square root of 900? What is the square root of 900? 30 centimeter square area of the triangle. So first we have proved this with our normal method, half into base into height. This is a half into base is AB and height is CB. Height is BC or CB. So we got 30. So same thing we did through Herons formula. Herons formula, how we did it? First we found out AC. What is yes? What is this yes? Yes is A plus B plus C. Means one side, second side, third side. 5 is the base and another side and another side. 5, 3, 5, 13, 12. 30 by 2, 15. So once we got the S is equal to 15, then S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So 15 into 15 minus 13, 2, 15 minus 12, 3, 15 minus 5, 5. So good. Finally, we got square root of 930. That means without knowing the height, if we know the three sides of a triangle, we can find out the area of the triangle using the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to S into S minus A square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is a semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. What is the meaning of semi-perimeter? All the sides A plus B plus C by 2. This is called semi-perimeter. So you got S, you got A, B, C, then you can find out the area of a triangle. So how are we going to use it? So there is a park. Park is in the shape of a triangle. Just you go and find out the length and use the Herons formula. You can find out the area of the triangle. This is very simple. Okay, this is another way of finding out the area of the triangle. So go through this video again and again. You will come to know. Herons formula is an alternate formula to find out the area of the triangle. Watch this video again and again. You will completely understand what is Herons formula. Thank you. Bye-bye.